everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jimbo's Craft Store. Today I'm going to show you how to varnish the rope bowls that I've been making, and maybe you can try at home. This is part 3, and in part 2 I show you how to glue the inside, to decorate the inside, and in part 1 I showed you how to make them. So what you'll need is, you may need a pair of scissors. You'll need a paintbrush, and you'll need a small paintbrush, and you will need some acrylic gloss varnish. And I will put all the links in the description. What you'll need to do is you give this a shape. And then you take the cap off. You also will need a little, and what you'll need to do is you'll need to pour a little bit of this gloss into the yogurt pot. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to paste all of this in here. This is my first time using this stuff, and not sure how this is going to work out, so hopefully it will work out fine. It does actually say that it brings it to a nice shine. It brings the fabric to a nice shine. So hopefully you'll see the finishing product. You paint it over very, very carefully, very, very lightly. It dries clear. Now, this could be a messy job. I'm just keeping this on the table, but if you don't have a table or anything like I've got, because I've got a board here, you may need an apron. And what it does say is, it says that you wait for a bit to let it dry. It doesn't take a long time to dry, it's actually drying at the top. But what I would do is I would go around the outsides as well. Leave that to dry for a bit. So I wouldn't recommend putting any food or fruit in the fabric bowls, because it wouldn't look very nice. But with these kind of bowls that have got the tissue paper and the varnish, different kind of varnish, it's okay to put fruit in. You can actually choose your own moulds to different sizes, from a nice big bowl to a small bowl to a terracotta pot to a flower pot, to any size you want and use the rope around that. But what I would suggest with the rope bowls is I would use hard plastic, metal, anything like that. As you can see, it's looking a little bit shiny. It's getting shiny. But what you do with that is you go over it once it's dry. You go over it over and over and over and over. So I'm going to see if I can actually do a bit more, put it thicker, and let it set afterwards. It does, although it does say it's going to go clear. I have looked this up. It does say it's going to go clear. Hopefully we'll see what it looks like when it's dry. And there you have, that's what it looks like when it's dry. You have to leave it to dry overnight, but it looks nice and shiny. But if you choose to leave it with just the material and it looks nice with just the material effect, then don't varnish it with the fabric glue. But that's how you varnish the bowl with the fabric varnish. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to do a rope bowl and it works out okay, or you find it alright, leave a comment. I'd love to hear how it went for you, and I will be doing a couple more videos soon on new projects, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.